In today's interconnected world, the concepts of bribery and unfair advantages hold significant implications for both individuals and societies. Bribery, in its various forms, has the potential to erode trust, compromise ethical standards, and undermine fair competition. Bribery, at its core, is the act of offering, giving, receiving, or soliciting something of value, often with the intention of influencing a person's actions or decisions in an unfair manner. This something of value can range from monetary gains and gifts to favors or promises, all aimed at achieving personal or organizational objectives. Bribery exists in various forms, each carrying its own set of ethical dilemmas. One common form of bribery is financial bribery, where monetary incentives are provided to individuals in positions of power or influence to sway their decisions in favor of the giver. This can occur in government, business, or even academic settings. For instance, offering money to a public official to expedite a bureaucratic process or secure a contract would be a clear example of financial bribery. Another form of bribery involves the exchange of gifts or lavish hospitality as a means of gaining favor. While gift-giving is a customary practice in many cultures, it becomes problematic when it aims to unduly influence the recipient's actions. For instance, providing an extravagant gift to a potential client with the hope of securing a business deal might cross the boundary into bribery territory. Fair competition is the cornerstone of a healthy economy and a just society. It fosters innovation, encourages efficiency, and promotes merit-based success. Unfair advantages, on the other hand, disrupt this equilibrium by awarding benefits to certain individuals or entities that are not earned through legitimate means. This is where the line between legitimate strategies and unethical practices becomes crucial to discern. In the realm of business, gaining a competitive edge through quality products, exceptional services, or innovative solutions is commendable and contributes to fair competition. However, resorting to bribery to gain unfair advantage over competitors tarnishes the principles of fairness and integrity that should underpin business interactions. Welcome to the Anti-Bribery and Corruption course. In this training, we will cover the following learning objectives: global laws and regulations, identifying public officials and their roles, what is anything of value, what are facilitation payments, preventing bribery and corruption,